What is industrial technology education? Otherwise known as SHOP, industrial education, industrial arts, STEM, and skilled and technical sciences. Normally, I would start with a definition, then examine it. Although there is a problem with this. There is no definition. Or more accurately, there are too many definitions, with little in common between them. Another issue with existing definitions is they tend to ramble on, which fails to make the meaning clear. Industrial technology is a hard school subject to define because of variable factors. This includes the characteristics of school subjects, the individual areas taught within industrial technology, how the subject relates to other subjects, and the individual school setup. Generally speaking, there are two categories of school subjects: core subjects and elective subjects. Industrial technology being an elective subject. Depending on which side the subject falls, it influences the character of the subject. Some questions that influence this are: what classes do you need before you can graduate from school? What are the standards and tests required by the government? And what are the number and range of classes available in each subject? For industrial technology, this means few graduation requirements or standards. As a result, a school can have no or several classes in this subject. Another confusion with industrial technology is it is a subject made up many areas. A number of the different areas taught are listed on screen. These areas may be further broken down or combined together depending on the school. While different, some common links between many of these areas are measuring, tool usage, and lab safety. It is also hard to separate industrial technology because of how much it builds on other subjects, or more simply, how it relates to other subjects. There are many examples of this, some displayed on screen, with mathematics being the clearest example. The formulas of mathematics are used to design, build, and test products or structures. Lastly, one of the biggest factors with industrial technology is the individual school setup. Each school's program is unique based on the following. Local businesses may influence a program by providing assistance to the school or a path for future student employment. Each area of industrial technology requires specific tools, materials, and environments. This goes along with the physical lab space and layout. Both of these points represent big dollar signs. As such, updating or changing what areas are taught requires serious investment and thought. The class format involves the balance between the classroom and lab work. This includes the type, variety, and use of textbooks, lectures, assessments, and projects. Then we come to the teacher, or teachers. As the people on the front line, they have the greatest influence on shaping the class based on their experiences. In conclusion, subject characteristics. The more specific areas in industrial technology. How the subject relates to other subjects. And the school setup are factors that make industrial technology hard to define. Ultimately, when defining industrial technology in a meaningful way for yourself, a class, a school district, or your particular state, consider all of the factors and craft a definition relevant to you. For more information on this topic and others, look to the description below.